leg no. I'm say Kaka extra time.
Yeah.
Golden extra time goal. And normally share. And then eka.
Are they la be ya?
We are on questions. Let's see how your paper. Yaba. And then 2007 no bought Bayern Munich about 2-2 of you know Bayern Munich 2-0 away.
Yes. And
Carlo Ancelotti has started playing the fans. Fans do on quite hard. The fans that's a smart move.
A smart move.
Yeah. I mean, he's trying to play the fans. But it's beautiful. Champions League never said different now. I am can you the quality of football mo born and run. Masa nanya sem keto. Ya unsa mo bi church on sem ni bi fa calf license near wahano. Look, the pinnacle of football in the world is Europe.
Yes.
Now you need to also to coin. Now who be? And so now more church and more church. Now bro, have you been there? Have you seen it before? It's one thing say I can't mawate.
Yes.
Na so here's Adam ona me catch us say ye ne abrofo no bobo ne show my ha na me apa.
Yes, be kai pa.
Mo de na mo ye. Wako pram. Nkura ye mo dwan papa bi ne hwe mo ye. Campaign allowance kran ntia. Omo da 3 so close we mo no mo bobo no ma share Spain. My campaign or proper room. Obi our personal development coach, Obi our skill development coach, or my talent ID. Who can say I did it?
I did. Yeah, I'm sure we create a meow.
Look, born no dear. See, I can't be a neck or canon ye, okay, dada. But ye, your talent now, when intimate develop it. Man in your camera, Sergio Busquets, the something now barrier Barcelona. It's very, very painful, because say one of the greatest players of this era has signaled the end of the era. Now, Sergio Busquets, I mean, 2005 free Sabadell ever joined Barcelona ranks, no. 2007 over a youth team Pep Guardiola coaching. 2008 he's playing for the first team. He's part of the double treble team of 2008, 2009, 2014, 2015. Imagine when we say Xavi free Barcelona no among the Champions League game.
Xavi free Barcelona.
Ever since he left, they've not won the Champions League again.
No.
Every other ingredient was there. Onon kwa free mun. Omun GBM.
Yeah, no crepa.
And share TV no so CCI Sergio Busquets. Ninsa watini. He's a conductor on the pitch. Now I want to say Arabic tattoo ne good ninsa.
Arabic.
Yeah. Now in English I say a thing for you. The life in my country. Otro edema ne mami e papa. It is the maternal grandfather.
Oh, okay.
Ono na ben pa ya. Okacha ne so onye no homobo no be hu bo asen ne papa. Ne papa na friend Carlos Busquets na oye goalkeeper. Manchester United they share Barcelona in that UEFA Cup match no. Cup no. Na papa ne dim. I mean, ohwe Busquets e bae omo a ohia omo ne early years e Barcelona kwan ofa so ye ne djuma na. It was beautiful. I mean, you can see a young Sergio Busquets. Barcelona e wo mu fie. He's done that, progressed to the next level. He's captained the team. Bruh, he's played over 700 games. And Che Bia, and he was one Laporta. Abi Jinawa, na Onea Krei Kasa, na Nemba. He got involved with a lady not long in 2014, 2016 and 2018. And almost Sankran. So, only one Laporta. And Che Bia, one of the games. No more ho, no more Shebo, no more presentee. BB Edeman, Juan Laporta as president, and it's significant because Juan Laporta time no, and he broke onto the scene as a member of the A team. Now, Ofri Hono, other people are Joseph Maria Bartomeu Munina Beni Nemu, but now you use Laporta, Eddie Adena Cheno, and now Waji. What does the future hold for Sergio? I mean, Yatisa or Saudi Arabia Nibi, and it's likely so be joining Messi, El Al Hilal. And it's a big farewell, big farewell for Sergio Busquets. Koku 3 times UEFA Champions League. Wajini na Bobby, a active role. 3 times Club World Cup, La Liga waji 8 or the Bakubeso Sama 9.
Yes,
good. UEFA Super Cup 3, Copa del Rey 7, UEFA Spanish Super Copa no waji 7 times. I mean, Koku de do na.
The career I'm there. Muefepa.
And World Cup no aje.
Yes.
Massage European Championship.
Auntie.
He's completed the set. And so Confederations Cup now Spain and pay.
And one has a
yeah. I mean, look, this has been a dream for him. Barcelona and Malcolm, maybe I won in Catalonia, Sabadell, Banco Sabadell. It's been an incredible journey, and in fact, he's done exceedingly well for himself, for his family. And now, what does this mean for the next phase of Barcelona? Because we're midfield now. I mean, this is Barcelona's midfield for the 2011 Champions League final at Wembley. Xavi, Busquets, Iniesta. It became the norm. The only time this midfield altered was when Xabi Alonso became for the national team.
Yes.
Kuku, but this is it. And then, Sergio Busquets, Echo, Senia Iniesta, Koyareho, Xavi Koyareho, Sana Wenzuyareho, Iniesta Kotoaso, Japan, Xavi, Echo Al Sadd, and they Al Hilal beckons for Sergio Busquets. And these were the captains of Barcelona.
Obunina Kwamana do Busquets. So they don't quite ever captain.
Sergio Roberto.
The speed there, zero boost your captains. Germany hit up.
Now, maybe now I was trying to tell people time now in the Xavi Koyano. Now, me catch one say, look, Messi is captain of Barcelona, but the most influential footballer our team is Sergio Busquets because of the politics.
Yes.
Right. At some point, the dark room politics were parked, and so no, we try pick people. Yeah, of course, because of Nipa Panti.
Oh, okay.
You get a point. You know, he was part and parcel of the very politics and the fiber of the politics of Barcelona. But as a footballer, he's an accomplished deep line playmaker.
But on the now all candidates here on captains, you know. It seems things almost a Spanish team as a captain. We didn't buy we in Peneso, we in Spain. There's other no. If you are there, quiet in your Obabe.
Yeah, shut the hot.
We are not the best.
Oh no, you see, the team believes in the whole.
Oh, okay.
And these teams, no matter what, you know, the symbol must be Spanish. And into the national teams near strong, no.
Oh, okay.
England, my captain, oh, I know the best show. I'm with the fiber. Messi, a captain. But when I said Sergio Busquets, energy, PK, a year with tree. And those were incredible moments. Now, Alejandro Garnacho, Manchester United for him and Kobo under 20, maybe almost a month in a prayer. Yanum Nade. And then France coach Cecilia for the under 20, Bernard Diomed. Now Bernard Diomed and our Ton Kadama Matthijs Tel are all by Munich say Matthijs you call Argentina for the FIFA under 20 World Cup by Munich say Mumpene.
Observe Mumpene
person Muji Bundesliga until Maniabre. There be hadn't drew so would join man no say number 9 be any baby him. Until Matthijs Tel into me go.
I will buy.
I hold that same
I buy or I
so you are robbing France. France for more crab you under 20 no be be afino. Ye dey obi Starman beba. Omo akrabi we also say that defend Momocho. Mohamecho.
Momocho.
Yeah.
I dey crow for bia.
Wow.
Momocho there.
You know, Matthijs Tel and so ntimi Nkobobi. He's one of the most prolific goal scorers for the youth teams in France, but Omo Younes in chance just like Alejandro Garnacho on Susu ntimi enko Siaka. Oliver Kahn din komo kakra. Na komo no bi fa Victor Osimhen ho. Na nsem na okeka kana no mubisa ne say ede ntina ama munya willing some de 150 million euros ebeko akoma Napoli na maje Victor Osimhen because nkomo no bi nim say question. O say when speaking on such a fee we have to ask the question, does this player give us a guarantee for the money? That would definitely be a big risk. Clearly Bayern Munich are walking away. Clearly. Omun nisika omu debate to 150 million na Napoli for no. Tinisi omu bisa say na how do sika nyina akoto 150 million na so pray. Is the sellers market. Owe omu bisa no Randall Colomwani who answer say yes. On person will be another player or another team, but the bit can say in the strikers market they are really assessing the market. omunya no ompe omadi nkomo adu baabi na ombe two bedroom say Kim Eintracht Frankfurt for no befu e say the san Harry Kane wasem o say no kafa Randall Kolomwani hu no sa na oka omu person omu respect Tottenham because you be player no be players so ni say otimi kofa no na say bi o kaka no wasem e bedroom but clearly Bayern Munich are in the market for a number 9 na no na beto dwa say omu ye de omu bitumi aso mbenya Erling Haaland omu to Manchester City for nete kwaku Erling Haaland sika ojene bosome no ebro de yenim no
sika ojene bosome no ebro de yenim no
Oliver Kahn asema o kan say at some point omu reach omu limit financially but they were not ready to break their wage structure and look at sika Sadio Mane edge na ye catch say omu nye willing say Sadio Mane is on 15 million a year
money
SOMPA Sports
around here dey hu
what I say
around here crime say sika no omo dey turn no figure na Dortmund for no coach you be crass and kokko
baby come baby we na omo nkan ni na I mean you know how these things
you na kwa obeki move ya wa yesi tatwo
tam
we is ya no cry ejuwe na sika baby busy na
this is when performance so open na you'd have to pay more for him international say last summer no the man Lewandowski bufu say okono onya hint say omo yes ade na ma Erling Haaland no bisa for sika no be renew no they were not willing to play ball with him and the map pennies I have bufu ya Otam Lewandowski didn't cause Spain clearly instead bibia koso intini say ne ekoso on the strikers market no obo Osimhen dia o si we die ne boy den dodo na amomisa mo say mo de usika nyina akoto sa ko abranti no pra e dey na abeye no abeye problem e dey amount so I think na ebe start you your Champions League final new year clubs are already talking behind the scenes you could clearly see so clubs any players didn't come up behind the scenes to start something but after the Champions League final we'll be in motion.
Yeah.
The summer proper would come. Na se mbeka Manuel Ugarte wasemwa. Na no pay na me kind maybe from the Portuguese press Ojogo and a record and a bola muna bibi epem say sa third party ownership na almost on my brand. Em say brand your match but am for the defection.
Yes.
Ugarte no sa na sport na kwafre Phoenix. Say omo ending komo na omo percentage na omo wo mu no. Omo nta no mu ntuaka. So that they can negotiate. So utua release clause na. Ha na ma football business na yehu no. Ene meti bibi ho acho. Utua release clause na. Obi en release clause no 50 million euros. I was say only 20% no come on. That means say 50 million euros ah. Abro so almost 15-10 bi there. Ombinya. And utua release clause na a court tax office. In the sporting for ntimi ntwa tron Phoenix for ne say nye stay near town. Nti okay, mo de money sika 5 million. Ana 10 million. Mon tom rights na mai. Se na be ya ye benya full ownership. Na yetimi any prospective buyers edin komo na atom player no. Guest if it. Any Jorge Mendes and Shasa de we.
Obana shechi omo yes sir.
Smart plan. Send omo yen in the house ah. Sa. Me pekwan bi so real sisi ah. Nti Ugarte no near omoka won na record no mean say English clubs at the bid ebeba when at the bid neighbor or him in this so a top player no England on san krana waba Portugal no sporting is baby din come say look munyi sika na yanko and this ka ba fie
aye djuma na wie
that's how it
be giska be
SOMPA Sports
intino nyamien no kwani the football ecosystem keeps on eating itself some mupe David De Gea obeji sika no obesan so about team no nipa bi akoye conference na DVD here na onya ade na ye man contract kakaka yesrem kremo DVD here webo be 4-5 years ni oko off but until then on na Manchester United a Premier League and come relegation but it also tells us say mere ninka so you get the point we share say na no see corner clearly David De Gea ebe shase and no picky den ya obisane na Osimhen no e na omo se da bi omo yempam no yenkofa Diogo oso pe Diogo wan Diogo Costa no Porto o se ope wan Alisson no the conference so what I say bra Manchester for no so hwe say emire bi atwam no enye ono anko mo relegation
relegation
enye masa enye na
relegation be
20 There was a day, one of the matches in 2016, Nami took one. Nami Rebon Airport, that was Norway. Omoni Liverpool. Coutinho Bobo be man ku yi on. Liverpool plays no mudina box no mudina ba omoni. David Dia. Oh David, but Kwaku, that is football. Clubs no, sometimes they are forced to make emotional decisions. Ya mien no kwani pa say, o san ka Dia. Oni say ni nickname the donut.
Me kai pa.
Nka ombetu mama Dia akọ.
Odi ka ba England.
But omo hwe ne wa be ye no. I mean, it's incredible.
Yo,
Intinesa na tinura.
who will be Kafa 1-1? Oh, Santiago Bernabeu.
Match no. Oh look, I send you me pem boss ana me nya no.
But adi bia o kan lack. It seems as this are lack in the
SOMPA Sports.
Look,
omugo no. And it's a incident na being sports for 3D we
na na move from 3D in Tina baby.
Na sa incident na Madrid for your penalty.
So te dem kan yi pa mo fa se. Te dem kan mo fa se.
Is the me all fa se.
Hwe. Din of asiti de ekoso no. Mo fa asiti. Brana ye bonus se no. Uhia no me bi pian. Ota se. Eno na ma referee be ka se. Baby a referee ni gina no. Decision no wa den. Waji. Wo hwe TV nti wadwen o se ne ekoso bia wo hu ne camera mu no. Referee no ehwe ne sa. No. Kwaku, you bet my bobo pa. Ya bo. Referee not take you off oba. Obo sem from na bo anwea na egu nani. Na o so posa kakra. O yes are na bo abo bi nsa.
Yes,
da.
SOMPA Sports.
Nti say ya mudi o matema me ya na Mr. kakra o. Because say nan say me ko Premier League Center. Me stress o ma me mben ina perimeter no. So de mi murema me gina chiri pm be se me te kasa ne bi me wi a omo twa pictures of stadium of photojournalist no ye pon ball na ma frɛ o den na ekoso park no so kasa be na ate bo me nkomo bra. Football can't be perfect. It can be no matter VAR. Kwaku nim say sabo we kwa bonti a ni ntia ye ntimi anye no technology for ball atra line no e goal line no so nkwa ne o. Oh. No, because any very no. Technology say bo atra line no. Ana antra no. Go line no so nkwane o.
Go line no so nkwane yejwa. Di are dey so bi fafa o kwa jwa
discretion.
SOMPA Sports.
So for the way they are mommy through. Mommy through return encounter no because say Man City for no. She said the name is Sikona, but well, Madrid the no bomb by a crab yet TVC.
So, I mean, but I love the game, a highly technical game. I'm say, you enjoy the football. You players no so sure. You maybe a players nanke do sa stage where no more be power. You get it. So look, you have to be Anton chain. It's more time no Steven Apia Munina. Look, Sami Kufo. Ghanaians were key actors in this stage of the Champions League. Ibrahim Tankomo, and no matter Danekakra, but hopefully, and no matter. But look, Champions League Nigeria is the greatest competition on the planet. Next week, I hear about Bayern, and it is the last semi-final. And I'm about Wednesday.
The Yomati, why? Cover question, Nebrana Refaba. Making Kamesi Nekakra Crespo Fufu, no more